Student, take out your science book, open पेज नंबर 57। हम इसको रीड करेंगे तो सभी बच्चे इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। मैं रीड करना, मेरे साथ रीड करेंगे, ठीक है। एयर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस। आवर अर्थ इज सराउंडेड बाय मैनी गैसेस in the form of an envelope known as atmosphere. Air is necessary for breathing and burning. The air that we breathe is help us in burning the food during digestion in our body and give us energy. All living organisms need air to survive. So, if there was no air, there would have been no life on the earth. Composition of air. Air is largely made up of nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen is 78% and oxygen is 21%. The remaining part of air is made up of many other gases and little amount of water vapor. Carbon dioxide, which is needed by the plant for photosynthesis, is only 0.3%. We are become fitted in many ways by the atmosphere covering our earth. Atmosphere does not allow sun rays in whole to reach on the land and send them back to the space. Thus, the day are not too much hot on the earth. It is the atmosphere which prevents ousting of the hotness of our earth. Thus, the atmosphere is very important for the life on the earth. Types of bridge. The heat of sun help in the movement of air and cause sea and land breeze. There are two types of bridge. Sea breeze. During daytime, the land gets heated up faster and then it heats up the air above it. As hot air is lighter, it rises up as the sea air does not get heated up so early. The air above will not get hot. The cool air the of the sea occupy the space of warm air of the land. Thus, the cool air from the sea blow toward the land during daytime. This is called sea breeze. Land breeze. During the night, the land cool down quickly, so that the air above it cool down. The water in the sea is much warmer compared to the land. As the hot air is lighter, it rises up. So the cool air from the land reaches the sea and occupy the space of warm air of the sea. Thus, the cool air from the land blow forward the sea during night time. This is called land bridge. Uses of air. Air is useful to human beings in many ways. Air is used by human beings for breathing. Air is used for burning fuel. Compressed air is used to fill tubes of various kind of vehicles. Air is needed to hear sound as it acts as a medium for sound propagation. Moving air helps in the movement of ship, boat, parachute, glider and airplane. Air has weight and exert pressure. We know the force of air gravity hold the air in our atmosphere. Weight of the air exert a pressure upon the earth. Air pressure on the earth's surface is equal in all direction. Air pollution. Air is said to be polluted if it contains substances that are harmful to animals and plants. These harmful substances are called pollutant. The main pollutant are unburned carbon dioxide, carbon particles from fuels, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and lead. Effect of air pollution. Polluted air causes many respiratory disorders like bronchitis, asthma, and throat infection. Polluted air causes irritation of our eyes and skin. Polluted air produces acid rain. It causes damage to the soil, plants, animal, and even buildings. Thank you.